In Schoology, teachers have the ability to host online discussion boards where students reply to teachers and reply to other students. To do this, click Add Materials, Add Discussion. Once your page loads, you want to add the title and the discussion question. In here, you are able to change the font and settings as needed. Below, you can add a due date, enable grading, and align it to your standards. We have other options here as well. You can individually assign different questions to different students. You can lock the discussion when you no longer want other students to respond. You can publish it when you're ready. Here, members can see others' responses before participating. If you click on this one, this now requires students to post their answer before seeing other responses. You can share the discussion or copy to other courses. It is suggested that we require members to post before we reveal other responses when it comes to content, but something like this, they might want to see what other students do before posting. When you're done, click Create. The discussion will post on your page, and students will be able to respond to the question you've posed. The discussion will end here, and when students want to answer it, they click the title and answer their question below. I would swim in the pool. And click Post. Now I've responded and my name is shown, so the teacher knows I've answered the question.